Well, by far these brake plates were, I think, the hardest to clean. I soaked them 4 times each over the past couple months, and then uh, grind at them. Like, oh my goodness! So finally got them nice and clean. There was a patina on them, so I grind it down, put the scratches out, so I get a nice bond for my primer. Um, so it's just a little harder because there's these little pits here. You just can't get in there and you can't clean them. All kinds of nooks and crannies, and the rust that was on it, it just pitted so bad that even the silking material that I used wasn't getting it. I'd have to get a screwdriver and really chip at it because it would create almost like a seal or a gloss on the rust when it soaks, and that doesn't get deep into it. So you take a screwdriver or something and scratch that coat off, and then soak it again, and then it still wouldn't get it, and then scratch it again, still wouldn't get it, and then finally just grind the crap out of it, and then scratch it again to get most of it, grind it again. But I got it either way. So these are nice and clean. I'll paint these today, and I've got more back there I'm going to paint. So I'll wipe these down, get the grease off of them, other dust and debris, and go from there. So I figure I just show these and difficulty of doing it, and then that's it. And I'll continue the rest.